All right, just a quick little video just to show where the brake's at. It's braking right here, and this is basically where the tab is at its full extended and the locks are fully open on the other end of the cable. So that's the weak point. So as soon as you start pulling, it loses the support of the track, and that's where it broke, because it lost the support of the track. So this portion needs to be beefed up or made out of a stronger material, like maybe a stainless or a stainless steel or something that's not going to break, because it broke right at full unlock. You pull that enough times, you're pulling here, and just watching me pull this tab, you can see it rock. So it wants to rock in here. So as long as it's supported by the rail, which is right here, right? This is the rail, it's fine. But as soon as it extends past the rail, the force of your finger at the full unlock, which you have to arrive here, it snaps, which means that it's not strong enough right there. That's where you're lacking strength. So either more material, which you got plenty of room for more material, or reinforced somehow. But that is a design flaw. It's obvious where it's at. It's at full unlock. Full unlock is right here. Snap. So anybody using the helmet frequently is going to hit full unlock every time they take it off or on, open it for air, full unlock, it's going to break. It's not from misuse, it's just from normal use.